How to screen mirror iPhone to MacBook. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, make sure that iPhone is running iOS 15 or later and MacBook is running macOS Monterey or later. Then drag down the control center from the top right corner of the screen and make sure that both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network and has the Bluetooth toggled on. Now what you have to do is go back to the control center and there you can simply see screen mirroring option available. Do square shape and all you have to do is tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will get to see your MacBook name. Select your MacBook from the list and your MacBook will show a code and enter it on your iPhone if asked. It basically does not, but if it asks, then simply enter the code properly and your iPhone screen should now appear on your Mac. And if you want to stop it, tap on the stop mirroring and stop mirroring to your MacBook. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.